Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at this laptop screen extender. So this is it. Oh, this is actually pretty nice. Looks like it comes in a little carrying case. Huh, that's pretty nice. Great for storing it. And of course you got some accessories. Looks like we got a Type-C to USB. We got the HDMI to Type-C. And of course all your manuals in here as well. Plus Type-C to Type-C. Okay, a couple things here. So for this, you just simply pull it out. So it's going to look like this. You pull this out from the side here. And there you have your screen. Here's where your laptop goes. You can open this up, put your laptop inside there. On the back here, you have the support stand. So you want to open this up here. So you can lift this up. If you twist it, you can adjust the stand itself and then just twist it for where you want it. So it's going to look something like this, and you just simply stretch out the back piece, line your screen inside there, and now you got your second screen off to the side, and now you just hook everything up. Now this is what it's going to look like. For us, we did HDMI to Type-C and then USB to Type-C, and we can show you guys right here. So this is HDMI, this is Type-C. There's many different methods you guys can do when setting this up. And here we have it. Just like that, my friends. Just like that. Simple, easy to set up. And if you got any problems, take a look at the manual. It's pretty simple and easy.